When I rinse, it's very, very important that you rinse with cold water, no shampoo, just a little conditioner, and blow dry immediately. And I would say a little tip about aftercare, same thing. If you want she asked me, because she's a Zumba instructor, I think we mentioned, she's like Zumba extraordinaire over here, but she asked me, how do I keep this color? How do I maintain it? First thing is a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Don't use a lot of heat. That usually will break down the fibers of the hair and then just make it more porous, which will release the color quicker. Don't wash very often, and when you do, freezing cold water, dry shampoo when you can. So she's gonna have to shower a lot, but cold water, that's gonna be the tip. And then the way we actually applied with the dimensional usage of all the tones, it's gonna fade really pretty. So she'll just end up back to her original blonde eventually, even if she has to shampoo a lot. And I think you're gonna love the journey. And I call it embrace the fade. So you're gonna really enjoy like the fade as it goes.